Hey, I'm not even wearing my chef jacket this morning. I went to a holiday party last night. Had a great time. Maybe drank a little too much. Maybe I gotta make a special breakfast. How about a frittata? So let's get cooking. Okay, so this frittata is onion and potato. Fantastic. 2 ingredients I know you have in your kitchen, so use them up. You gotta cook them a special way. The potato, listen, the beginning of every week, cook off a bag of potatoes because you'll use them all week very easy. Look, I have baked potatoes already made. I don't have to cook them because they cooked already. Wonderful. And now I gotta cook some onion. Very special. I want to caramelize them nice and slow. It's gonna take about a half hour to cook these, but you don't have to watch them like consistently. So don't worry about it. Okay, I have 3 medium onions, and they're sweet onions. I'm going to slice them up. There you go. Hey, you see me use this pot before, right? It's the tagine. Look at that. I told you this is very versatile. I'm going to brown my onions in here because it's a nice heavy pot. It's going to brown them nice without burning them. I love it. I drop about a tablespoon of oil in the pan. I'm going to put this on a medium-low light. I'm going to put all my onions in there. I'm going to cook this nice and slow. Going to add a half a teaspoon salt and a quarter teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, this is going to take some time. Every 5 minutes or so, I'm going to come back and give it a stir. But I need it to cook slow, cook through 100%, and get a nice, at least a nice golden brown. Wonderful. I promise, this is the hardest part of this recipe, is browning these onions. Take some patience. Hey, have some patience. It'll pay off. Ooh, I'm getting a headache. I got to take a couple of aspirin. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, the aspirins are kicking in. Feel a little better. Feel a little better. And let's start cooking again. Okay, I'm going to start dealing with these potatoes. I'm going to peel them and slice them. Set them aside. By the time I finish the potatoes, the onions should be done. It's all about timing, you know. Hey, for this I just use a knife. Look at that. I cut the ends off. And then just peel it around like that. Beautiful. Everything you put in this frittata has to be cooked 100% because nothing's going to cook in the frittata except for the egg substitute. You see how I'm just trying to take off like just the skin. If you take off just the skin, that's better because the nutrition is found just under the skin. So I'm trying to save as much nutrition as I can from the potato. Okay, then I want to cut it about 1/8 of an inch. Hey, some of the pieces are going to fall apart. That's okay. Hey, there's a potato. Wonderful. Check out those onions. They come out beautiful. I'm going to take them out of the pan, let them cool off a little bit. Okay, now we're going to make our vegan egg mixture. Wonderful. Okay, we're going to use a blender and throw in, I have here, 1/4 cup of cashews and a quarter cup of hot water. I let it soak about an hour or so. You can let it soak overnight. I don't care. As long as it gets to soak at least an hour. Throw that in there. And I want to give that a little whirl just to start that pureeing. It purees better when it purees on its own. Okay. Now I gotta throw in 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of chickpea flour. Hey, chickpea flour comes in a bag, looks like that. Wonderful. Well, many different varieties of chickpea flour, but that's one of the varieties. I got it at my local supermarket. They carry it because I got a wonderful supermarket near my house. Okay. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. And a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And a quarter cup of nutritional yeast. That's going to get, like normally in frittata, I add a little Parmesan cheese. That's why I'm adding the nutritional yeast instead. Okay, you got a nice smooth mixture in there. Very nice. Take a bowl. I put all my potatoes in the bowl. I put all my onions in the bowl. Then I have a very special ingredient. Gonna make this really special. Fresh thyme. Woo, it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna need about a tablespoon of fresh thyme. And the way you do this is, you see the leaves grow like up like that. So I kind of peel it backwards. I hold on to the end and just with my 2 fingers, just scrape the little leaves off like that. See the leaves grow up, so my fingers, I'm going to scrape it down like that. Get most of the leaves off that way. Hey, you just have to be patient with this. You'll be rewarded. This is going to be really good. This is going to make the recipe, these thyme leaves. It's going to be really good. Very flavorful, very nice. Okay, that's good. And then you want to chop it up nice and fine. Okay. That's about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to put it right in with the onion and potato. You want to use dry thyme? No problem. I use about half a teaspoon. That's fine. I like it fresh. If you can get your hands on fresh thyme, wonderful. Otherwise, dry to be okay. Yeah, gonna be delicious. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. Now I'm gonna add the egg to the potato and onion. Woo! Check that out. Hey, get all of it out. Use your rubber scraper. Get it all out. That's it. Man, that smells good already. Now fold it together. Try not to break too much of the ingredients apart, like the potatoes. They're going to fall apart a little bit, but try not to make like a mashed potato out of them. All right, look at that cake pan. Wonderful. Non-stick cake pan. Terrific. 9-inch cake pan. Okay, so give it a spray. Even though it's non-stick, give it a spray. You don't want this to stick. Spray that oil, especially in the corners. There you go. Spray that. Spray that good. Okay. Now you gotta dump this right into the cake. Right into the cake pan. Look at that. It's like you're making a potato and onion cake. Woo! That smells, it's not even cooked yet. It smells good. Spread it around so it's nice and even. Like that. Hey, this is gonna go right. This goes right into my preheated 350-degree oven. I'm gonna check it in a half hour. Probably gonna take more like 40 minutes to cook it. We'll see. I'm gonna go relax now. Woo! I need a nap. This is hard work. No, it's not. Very easy. Easy recipes. Get your morning going. Okay, I'll see you in about a half hour. Okay, so it's been a half hour. Let's check this baby out. Woo, look at that. Looking good. Okay, can you see that? Beautiful. Look at the potato in there. Fantastic. Hey, I'm going to have this. Listen, you can have this plain. I'm going to put a little tomato sauce on mine. Wonderful. This is fantastic. It smells terrific. I wish I had smell-o-vision. You can smell this right through the camera. Hey, check out my quesadilla. What a great video. What a great recipe. I'll see you there. Oh, yeah. Hey, this is terrific. Woo, good stuff. I made the whole thing. Then I got to go take a nap. Wonderful.